Hey there, friends. Welcome to Fun Kids World. Look, do you see those amazing supercars? Wow, here comes a bright red supercar. Vroom vroom. It's so shiny and fast. And look, there's a blue supercar right behind it. What a beautiful blue color. Oh, and here comes a yellow supercar too. 1, 2, 3 supercars. They're all lined up and ready for something really fun. Look what's ahead. It's a giant slime track. Ooh, the slime is so gooey and colorful. The red supercar goes first. Ready? Here it goes. Sploosh! It's driving right through bright green slime. Look at all that green gooey slime splashing everywhere. The red car is covered in green slime now. So silly. Now it's the blue supercar's turn. Vroom! Splash! It's driving through pink slime. Wow! Look at all that pink slime flying up in the air. The pink slime is all over the blue car. It looks so funny covered in pink goo. And now the yellow supercar wants a turn too. Here it goes, zooming super fast. Sploosh! It's driving through purple slime. Whoa! Purple slime is everywhere. On the wheels, on the roof, all over. All three supercars are covered in colorful gooey slime now. The red car has green slime, the blue car has pink slime, and the yellow car has purple slime. They're so messy. But wait, what's that up ahead? Do you see it? It's a giant car wash. A rainbow car wash. Let's go get these silly cars all clean. Here we go. The giant rainbow car wash is so big and colorful. Look at all those spinning brushes. They're red, blue, green, yellow, and purple. The red supercar drives in first. Whoosh! Big blue spinning brushes scrub the green slime off. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Now rainbow water sprays all over. Look at the colorful bubbles. So many bubbles everywhere. Pink bubbles, blue bubbles, yellow bubbles floating all around. The green slime is washing away. The red car is getting so clean and shiny again. Sparkle, sparkle. Now the blue supercar rolls through. The big yellow brushes spin round and round. They're scrubbing off all that pink slime. Swish, swish, swish. More rainbow water sprays down, splash. And giant purple bubbles pop all around. Pop, pop, pop. The blue car is sparkling clean now. Yay! And here comes the yellow supercar. Big green spinning brushes go round and round, cleaning off all that purple slime. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Rainbow water showers down, and orange and pink bubbles fill the air. The yellow car is shiny and clean again. Hooray! Now look. All three supercars come out the other side of the giant car wash. They're sparkling and gleaming in the sunshine. The red car honks. Beep beep. The blue car honks. Beep beep. The yellow car honks. Beep beep. They're all so happy to be clean and shiny again. They drive together in a circle to celebrate. Wasn't that so much fun, friends? We saw slime and bubbles and spinning brushes. Thanks for watching Fun Kids World. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.